How to turn on dark mode. Our guest is looking to turn on dark mode onto his application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn on dark mode onto his, first of all, open to his application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you're logged in, look at the right bottom of your screen, where you can see this option for profile icon. Just simply tap on profile icon. After you click on it, you can see the setting icon over here. Tap on it. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to this interface, where you can see multiple options. Just simply tap on the preference over here. Now you can see this option for app theme over here. Tap on this menu icon and select dark mode. As soon as you click on it, the app will be refreshed in order to launch the dark mode. So as you guys can see, that's how we're going to turn on dark mode onto its application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.